Genie, the brand you trust. Founded in 1923 as the Alliance Manufacuring Company, the Genie brand started a now 100-year-old legacy of innovation, trust, and reliability. Through World War II, the factory produced everything from voltage regulators to canteen handles, as Genie became one of America's most iconic brands. After all, Genie was the first to mass-produce radio-controlled residential garage door openers. That was 1954, and the breakthrough design featuring dependability and safety that revolutionized garages then are still the core values that guide Genie today. Maybe that's why when you think of a garage door opener, hey, you think Genie. Genie innovation and the people who make it possible continue to lead the field with advanced performance, convenience features, and safety built into each product's design. Garage door openers for every door that simply do what they're made to do every time. Because Genie quality is prioritized with engineering, manufacturing, and testing. Strict quality control that tracks and tests every major system from beginning to boxing is a hallmark of Genie manufacturing. Nothing is overlooked. Rigorous testing and attention to the smallest detail, like making sure all the right parts are always in the box. That's quality you can trust. Genie's commitment to innovation delivers constant technology improvements like Aladdin Connect and Bench Sentry for convenience, safety, and customer service that's second to none. Today, Genie celebrates 100 years of innovation built by and for past, present, and future generations as the brand you trust.